Hey guys, I'm Bhumika. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time watching this video, hi, I'm Bhumika. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I post regular videos here on YouTube, shorts, travel videos, a little bit of hauls, fashion, beauty, and a mix of stuff. So if you like what you see, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button. And yes, Amazon has the Republic Day sale going on, and I bought a bunch of things, so I quickly wanted to show them to you guys. It's a very mini haul. So first off is this top which I am wearing. It's a military green ribbed crop top, and it comes in a bunch of colors. It's from a brand called Ahavan, because I love this military green and hence I got this. It's very nice. It will work with a lot of different outfits. It's just a casual crop top and it was very affordable. Also, I'll include all the screenshots here and all the links to the products in the description box below, so you can check those out. So yes, first is this top which I absolutely love. This is in the size M and it fits me perfectly. Next I got this super pretty belt. Now this is from India. They do very good fusion wear stuff, Indian outfits and Indo-Western outfits, saris, pre-draped saris, maxis and all. I bought this belt. Now this belt is perfect for any Indian outfit. It's like a navy blue belt with gold embroidery detailing all over, and this will work with a lot of different outfits, your Indian outfits from anarkalis to saris, and belts with saris are very in right now. I really recommend getting some of these Indian wear belts because they work with a lot of your different Indian outfits. You can buy it in a few different colors and options and keep them and wear them as in what like works with your Indian outfits. I really love this. For the price it's pretty good, and yes, it's a tie-up so you can adjust it. There's no size issue as well. Yes, highly recommend getting a few Indian wear belts. Next is this set of razors. Now it's from a brand called Kai, K-A-I. If you remember my previous video, I had mentioned I shave my face, and this had very good reviews. Now it comes in a set of 5. It looks very different from your normal razors, and the breadth is also like pretty wide, so you can cover a larger area of the face at one go. And yes, seeing the reviews, I was really intrigued, and I thought I should give this brand a try. I have not tried this yet, but I'll definitely try this and update you guys. Do you want to see a revised shaving video? Do let me know in the comments below. I had done one I think 4 years ago. I'll leave that link in the info box below on everything about shaving, on dermaplaning, why you should shave your face and how it helps remove the dead skin cells and then better penetration of your skincare products as well. I'll do a new updated video if in case you're looking for one. Until then, I'll test these out and maybe use them and show them to you. But yes, this comes in a set of 5 and this has pretty good reviews, so I am excited to try this out. Next I got the Lakme Absolute Material Mousse Concealer. Now Lakme has recently launched a new concealer, the 9 to 5 concealer. I'm yet to try that out, but I haven't tried this as well, and I heard some good reviews about this, so I thought of giving this a try. This is in the shade 02 Natural. I love the matte black packaging. It is different than other concealers which are usually like transparent, and it has this slight tilted wand in here. This is the shade Natural. It's like a perfect match for me, and if you have used the Material Mousse range, you know the consistency. It's very like moussey, and this is like a perfect match. It matches like my hand perfectly. I hope it matches my under eye perfectly as well. Yes, I love the texture. It's very moussey and very soft, and it has medium coverage. It's not like super high coverage, but it is very good for daily wear. And yes, I'll be using it for some time and will let you guys know how I feel about this. If you would like to see mini reviews kind of videos, a video where I test out a few new launches and new products and do mini reviews of this, do let me know in the comments below. And I got this L'Oreal Professional Resveratrol Vitamino Color Shampoo. Now I don't color my hair, but my mom colors her hair and she swears by this shampoo, so I bought this for her, and she has only been using this shampoo, and this also has very good reviews on Amazon. So if you have colored hair, you should definitely try out the L'Oreal Vitamino Color Shampoo. And the final product is the Paula's Choice Toner. Now if you follow me since some time, you would know I swear by this toner. This is the Paula's Choice Pore Reducing Toner. Now this is a repurchase. I'll just show you my, yeah, this is my completely empty bottle and this is like the heavy full one. I've completely finished this and repurchased this. I absolutely love this toner. I swear by this. You can use it morning, night, anytime, and this is very good for open pores. Like if you have pore issue, definitely recommend getting this toner. Now this is a little expensive. It's like 1980, but this bottle lasted me one whole year. So if you count it per month basis, it's like total value for money compared to other toners as well, because the quantity is huge and you just need like a few drops. And this has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and a lot of good ceramides and fatty alcohols which repair your skin barrier and are very good for the skin. So they mention it is like skin balancing and for oily combination skin, and I do have combination skin, but this is so hydrating that will work for dry skin as well. It will work for all skin types. Absolutely love this toner and highly recommend this toner to everyone. Yeah guys, that's about it. That was my mini haul. Do let me know your favorite item in the comments down below. I love this top and also the belt, and of course the Paula's toner is my favorite. The razor and the concealer I'm pretty excited to try. Let me know your favorite item down below, and also don't forget to participate in the giveaway. I have a giveaway going on. I'll mention the link in the info box below and in the eye up here somewhere. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the like button if you like this video. Bye.